Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Hi guys! Since most of the restaurants here in Metro Manila are still closed, I want to cook one of the famous recipe na pwede nyo gawin in your house and share it with your friends and loved ones. And this is butter chicken. Tara, let's cook it using Koizumi grill pot and slim roaster. So today we're gonna make butter chicken. So for our butter chicken, the ingredients we're going to use are, first, for the marinade or for marinating the chicken, we need to have skinless leg quarter, boneless, yogurt, methi powder, coriander powder, brown sugar, ginger garlic paste, salt, cinnamon, chili pepper or chili powder, and then coriander powder. And then for our sauce, chili powder, coriander, brown sugar, tomato paste, red onion, oil, cooking oil, garlic, methi powder, and tomato and butter. So first, marinate natin yung chicken. Add our salt, sugar, coriander powder, methi powder, cinnamon, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, and hindi ko nasabi kanina for our ingredients, add cumin, black pepper, yogurt, to marinate natin for an hour or longer. Pero for me, I suggest overnight talaga. Let's make our sauce. Turn on our grill pot with medium heat. Oil to our pan. Then add onions. High heat natin siya. Kasi we need to brown the onion kasi doon tayo kukuha ng flavor for our butter chicken. Or one of the flavor for our butter chicken sauce. So once close to brown na siya, add our garlic, tomato paste, coriander powder, chili powder, then add tomatoes, then add our cumin, garam masala, and methi powder. Then add our brown sugar. Tapos pag fully wilted na yung or smash na yung tomatoes natin, that's the time na pwede natin siya i-blender. And then we will reheat it and add our butter. Blender na natin siya. So before natin lutuin yung chicken natin for butter chicken, preheat natin yung steam roaster. And then once preheated na siya, add our chicken. So for this one, we will not fully cook the chicken. Kukunin lang natin yung smoky flavor niya. Then let's wait for like 5 minutes. So by the way guys, Koizumi Slim Roaster is very compact, reduced odor and deodorant filter, double-sided heater, and easy to grill without turning over, easy to clean, and can be disassembled. So once meron char flavor na or chicken natin na may konting sunog, pwede natin tanggalin yan and then transfer natin sa sauce. So okay na yung sauce natin, na-blender na rin natin siya. Turn on our grill pot. Bring to simmer. So by the way guys, Koizumi grill pot is 2000 watts. Very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. So once nag-simmer siya, add our chicken. Then juice. Mix. So kanina sa slim roaster natin, close to cook lang ginawa natin for the chicken. And then dito tayo mag-fully cook. Para at least may flavor pa rin na makuha yung chicken natin with char flavor. Simmer it for 5 minutes. Then turn off our heat. Add our butter. Then melt lang natin siya. And that's it. Ready to plate na tayo. Let's get our bowl in our Koizumi dish dryer. So this is it, our butter chicken.